Right, guys. So we're going to talk about how to import a 3D step file into footprint and BRD file in Cadence Allegro. And so these are the steps. These are the things that we're going to discuss today. We're going to download the DRA and PSM footprint file, then the step file and the path file, and its corresponding schematic symbol, which will be on .olb file. Then we're gonna include the footprint and the schematic on the board. Then we're gonna link the path file, step file, finally update the footprint in the final board file. Yeah. So okay, this is the component that I just downloaded. It's right here. Uh, So it has symbol, footprint, and 3D model. So if I just click download, I can select 3D and Arcade Allegro files. You can click download, and I've already downloaded for you. And you can go for any devices, any. So where is that? Okay, I'm keeping download files right here. So as you can see, this is 3D step file, these are the path file, and this are the footprint, right? So first thing first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the symbol file. So which is I've already opened it for you guys. So this is the symbol file, and then what I did was I just copy, and then I went to design file, and then I went to the library, my own library, and I'm gonna paste right here, paste, and after paste, so this is what I have right now. And so this is the main pin, and then these are the ground pins, as you can see in the 3D model as well. So this pin number 1 is S1, S2, S3, and S4. They are going to be grounded, and you can see in the footprint as well. So what I did was the symbol is quite big, and I created my own and modified the symbol to this, so let me enable the pin visible. Okay, so as you can see, it's the same thing. I just modify the shape and size. I'm gonna make another video to create a symbol. Um, so we have pin number 1, S1, S2, S3, and S4, and then I've incorporated this particular symbol right in the schematic, as you can see here. It is just a random connection just for testing. Grounded, connected all the grounds, and then randomly. And then another important thing is if I go double click here, double click left click, double left click, and if you go to the footprint, the name has to be there as this. It has to be same. This and this. So we already have, otherwise it's going to show up an error. If you can see, let me just Control X, press. There will be an error which will pop up once I save it. Yes. Yeah, so as you can see, there's an error. So by default, the library which we have downloaded already included all this library files, so we don't need to worry about it, but still it's good to recheck. Then I'm going to save this. Alright, so the error is gone, and let me, for the sake of thing, let me just copy and paste another connector. Press W, I'm just gonna connect this to something random. Let's say right over here, and then this goes to, let's say, So right here, I'm gonna save it. Then I'm gonna update layout. So it's gonna show up all the list of things that's gonna be updated. Sync, and here's my layout. Let me remove the red nest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the placement, edit. This is the one that we just added, and it came in. So one thing that I forgot to mention is like for now, uh, yeah. So the path, the path is very another important file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here. I want to name the file. It's t underscore n140 n150, right? That's t underscore. Let me delete this for time being. Okay, so I've deleted. So this was the. So I'm supposed to copy them back, and here. Okay, this is the footprint. Yeah. So this is the one that we just created, and we already have the. If we don't have the path file, it's going to show up an error in red color down here, like okay, your path file is missing. Right now, it's already in the buffer. That's the reason why. So I can do something like where's the tools path stack? Modify path stack design. Yeah. So this and this. Possible to delete. No. Okay, let me. Can I rename? All right. Anyway, so these are the two paths I've already incorporated earlier, so it's still reading it. Um, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make another video for that as well. Yeah, just note them down. So the first was about symbol creation. And then the second thing is about linking path file. Okay, cool. Yeah. So where were we? We were in the placement edit and J5. Then rotate. If you want to rotate 45 degree, you can just not in edit mode. Now just let me place. So we're done. Let me turn the red nest. Fine, cool. So now if I see the 3D model of this file, we don't have yet. So you see this is the SMA connector right here. We just have a black box, right? To update this, what I'm going to do is yes. Okay. So first, let me copy back that files. Paste path files. Copy. Where's the paths? Paste it here. Cool. Then the 3D file. 3D file is gonna be this one. I'm gonna copy it. Then this is my working directory. I'm gonna paste step file right here. I've already pasted it. Okay, it's the same thing, so it's fine. So the next thing is to go to the footprint, and this is where the connector. I can open them up, and So yeah, this is the footprint that we just downloaded, and you can see here ref dash. This is the silk screen top, and we don't have anything at the bottom. Uh, then packets, geometry. We have place bound. Yep, right. Then pin number. You can see the pin number right here. S1, S2, S4, and 1 right here. Then silk screen top. Yep, you can see the green color. This is silk screen top. And I believe there will be assembly top as well. Yep, so there is the assembly top, and definitely X for top, and then the bottom. Cool. Okay, now we can check the pad as well. There are two types of pads. I believe this is a little bigger and smaller. So pad stack, modified pad stack. So 140 and 150. Yeah. So we have the throw pin circle and the drill diameter, then drill symbol cross, then drill offset 00. Then we have our design layers, then the mask, solar top and solar bottom. Then yeah, that's it. The same with other as well. Now we have to link the 3D file right here, so that we don't need to go to the board file and do it for each and every symbol. So we're going to click here. If these options are not visible, then you can go to the view window, symbols, or 3D mapper right here. You can see 3D mapper. Click right here, and this is the working directory, and with the step file, and this is the step file. We just download it, and here you go. This is the assembly connector. First thing first, I'm gonna move a little bit up, so we have to align them properly. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do top, and this is the surface of the top, so it directly goes to the top, which is cool. And we have to align them. We can align them by, again, manually. Let me just pull them out, and I'm going to click XY, click here, another here, and then this is where it should go. Okay, one thing. Okay, cool, correct. Is it correct? Okay, we're going to see. And then right here, and then this like this. Okay, let me redo again. XY, XY, click here, here, this, and this. Yep. So it's good. We're good. Perfect. I'm gonna close this and save this. Yes. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna definitely generate a new PSM file. As you can see, yeah. So, and I'm gonna close this file right here, and let me delete the unnecessary files. Tell myself .grl is, skip this one. Okay, cool. So this is the file we just did now 916. As you can see, it's a newly generated PSM file, and then you can go right here, and since we have not updated the footprint, we're still not going to see anything. As you can see, uh, now what we're going to do is we're going to go to I forgot where it was, setup, was it, uh, save logic place, update symbols, update symbols, then bracket symbol. This is the one. Update step mapping date only. We can update everything. Keep design patch step name for offline. Uh, Update symbol patch step from library. Okay. Reset, reset, reset. Okay. So refresh. Cool. Let's see whether we are able to see this. Wow, cool. So now we are able to see the SMA connector right here. Cool. I think that's all for today. Thanks, guys. Please like and subscribe.